It seems that the Russian forces ran headfirst regardless of the Krakow region in the face of a strong Ukrainian offensive. The number of captured Russian armored vehicles is surprising, because the Russians ran away or were captured by the Ukrainians. So, in one day, Russians retreating from Izium donated more artillery and armor to Ukraine than Germany and France have from the beginning of the war. Here we can see that Ukrainians loves its trophy weapons. Outside of Izium, Ukrainian forces pass a burning Russian R-149 Ma-1 command vehicle. Russian troops have drowned 3 APCs while fleeing Kharkiv region.
Трофеї тікали, потопили.
Two captured Russian T-72B3 tanks, Mount Pound, and a fourth vehicle. Video of a Russian base destroyed by a HIMARS strike in Kharkiv Oblast.
Я вважаю, що це просто металобрух кацапський. І ми воювати повинні на Хаймарсі.
А Перун вважає, що тігри це заєбісь. Дадім?
Це не наша тема. Оце ось їхня поля в Україні.
Ukrainian servicemen with a destroyed Russian Ural transporting truck somewhere in the east.
Що тут, блядь, їбать, свані, ці гандони, вонючі. Получили, блядь. А що, нема дохлих? Вторая армия мира, блядь. Пидор, блядь. Да обосранное все нахуй, глянь, блядь.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.